Hi and welcome to Bespoke Unit. My name is Paul Anthony and today we're going to be reviewing a bespoke conversion watch by Vortic. So I'm really excited today to have received the Vortic bespoke conversion in the mail. This is a pretty special watch for me. Living in Philadelphia for the last 10 years, I've really wanted to buy a Hamilton watch. Luckily, while I was recently at the Philadelphia flea market, I came across a Hamilton pocket watch. Talked to RT over at Vortic, sent the watch in. It's been about 6 weeks now, and here's the results. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. I've previously reviewed one of the Vortic watches, one of the American Artisan series, the Boston. But this is the first time I've actually sent a watch across myself and been able to review it. So as you can see here, we've got the Vortic wax seal. Nice packaging, kind of that vintage vibe that they're going for. Just going to open this up. Being from Hamilton watches, they actually refer to this as the Lancaster model because Hamilton watches was based in Lancaster, PA, which for me, living in Philadelphia, is probably around 45 minutes east of the city. Open the box here. Okay, so now we see the box. Nice custom American Artisan series on the box there. We open this up. I think Vortic do a very nice job about the custom elements. So we've got the serial number, the founder, the watchmaker. All of these are really nice personal touches from a small watch brand based here in the USA. And then the watchmaker certificate. So one of the nice things further with Vortic is that they offer a 2-year rolling warranty. So each time you buy a watch or get a watch bespoke conversion like this one, it comes with a 2-year warranty. You'll send the watch back for another service and they give another 2 years. So they really want to kind of maintain and preserve that heritage, not only of their own watches, but also American-made watches in the past. Nicely bubble wrapped. Just opening up the watch here. Move some of this out of the way. It's like Christmas, everything's wrapped up tight. There we go. Here we go. So here's the watch, as you can see, nicely cased in this 3D printed metal design. Custom black watch strap. I'll take it off the pillow. Oh, this is great. Wow, what a difference from the pocket watch I sent across. The one thing that really struck me about this watch was the second hands disc that actually rotates instead of an actual second hand. You can see the movement there. Nice large pocket watch movement. I mean, the one thing that you regularly hear about Vortic watches is the size of them. If I actually compare it to the watch I'm wearing, which is the F. Pigeon, yeah, it's relatively significant, the size difference. However, if I get the calipers on there, this watch comes in at 41.5 millimeters. I'll put it on the wrist so you guys can see. Oh yeah, very happy with this. See it on the wrist there? I mean, for me personally, this is a casual watch and I probably would not wear it with a suit like this on a regular basis. However, if I'm out and about around with a pair of jeans and a pair of boots on, maybe a casual short sleeve shirt, I think this is a perfect watch. Great conversational piece. Again, for me being from Philadelphia, I really wanted a piece of heritage from the area with a Lancaster made Hamilton watch. You know, again, this is a great gift for anyone. If you've got a family heirloom piece that you're not maybe into wearing a waistcoat with an Albert chain and a pocket watch, then I think this is a fantastic option for you to get watches converted, or like myself, who I didn't have the option of a family heirloom, to actually send one in to the guys at Vortic. This one came back in just over 4 weeks. So the cost, I was talking to RT, the founder of Vortic, and he said it'd be anywhere between around $1,000 and $2,000. Luckily, this was a relatively clean watch and movement, so it was on the lower end of that scale. But I mean, the value for this, you can pick up these movements relatively inexpensively, maybe even under $100, and then $1,000 conversion cost, and you've got yourself a fantastic talking piece, bit of American heritage on the wrist, and I don't think you can go wrong. So anyway, that's my unboxing video of the Vortic. Below I'll be doing a full review on the blog at Bespoke Unit. You can also check out the American Artisan series that we've got, and other watch related content. As always, please like and subscribe to our channel for more watch content and men's lifestyle topics. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you soon.